Welcome to Operation Theater SKR YouTube channel.
Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that exist almost everywhere on Earth. They come in various shapes, like spheres, rods, and spirals, and can be found in soil, water, and even inside our bodies. Most bacteria are harmless or even beneficial, playing crucial roles in processes like digestion and nutrient cycling. However, some bacteria can cause diseases in humans. Common culprits include Streptococcus, which can lead to strep throat, Escherichia coli, notorious for foodborne illnesses, and Staphylococcus aureus, responsible for skin infections. These pathogenic bacteria can invade our bodies, multiply, and produce toxins leading to illness. Symptoms range from mild discomfort to severe conditions, depending on the bacteria and the individual's health. Understanding bacteria is essential, as it helps us develop antibiotics and vaccines, ultimately protecting our health. So, while some bacteria are our allies, others remind us of the delicate balance of life and the importance of hygiene.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe my Operation